Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. It's that time again where I have received my September's Glossybox, which came through the mail yesterday, so let's unbox this together. So this is everything that has come through this month. We do have the QR code to scan which says Autumn Glow September, and let's give this a good scan. And this is this month's magazine, so as usual you have the contents, a note and story behind the box, then it goes on to give us details about the products, and then it's giving us some autumn care tips, and it goes on to give other articles and a lip care routine. The editor note states, "Hey Glossies, we've crafted a special collection for you with our latest edit, Autumn Glow. As the pace slows and crisp air sets, in this selection of 5 carefully chosen products is designed to help you unwind, protect your skin and embrace the radiance of the season. This box will rejuvenate you after the summer, preparing you to shine through your autumn plans. In this digital magazine we also share tips on keeping your lips moisturised as the cold weather approaches, along with how to elevate your shower routine with warm, soothing vanilla scents. Love, Team Glossy." It goes to the story behind the box, which states, "Hello Autumn. With the cooler season upon us, it's time to add new products to your routine. It's time to slow down, protect your skin from dry air and create the warm autumn glow. Think gentle exfoliation, richer moisturisers and skincare with valuable ingredients. Your makeup bag will include autumnal colour palettes, earthy tones, while warm fragrances and aromas bring us cosy everyday autumn essentials." The first product was a choice between 2 LMS products. We have received the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash by LMS, which is worth £8.50. This is the LMS Skin Refining Cleanser. It contains tri-enzyme technology, so it helps removal of dead skin cells and rejuvenate the new growing bonds. On the back it states, "Use on damp skin morning and evening, avoiding the eye area and rinse off." And I'm just going to open it up and remove the seal. So I've managed to apply some on my hand, and you can see it's like this milky colour and it's a bit liquidy, but when you apply it on it's quite thick and I wouldn't say glunky, but it is very thick, and you can see it kind of foams up, and bearing in mind I don't have any water, but you can imagine how foamy it would be. And let's just give it a quick smell. Yeah, it smells like LMS products, like it has a fruity but floral scent, which I quite like. Then we have the Youth Lab Brightening Boo Mask, worth £5.89. So this is a sheet mask. It says 1 sheet, and on here it states brightens, revitalises while minimising spots, blemishes, scars and discolorations. So this is just a sheet mask, so you open it up and apply it on your face. Next we have the Saint Luxe Setting Spray, worth £19.83. This is a setting mist by Saint Luxe. I've never tried this brand, but it is 75ml. And on the back it states, "Have a lightweight microfine setting mist. It helps your skin to retain moisture and set your makeup with a glowy finish." So it will give you a nice dewy look. Not only is a setting spray formulated to help you achieve flawless makeup, it can also be used on clean skin. Formulated with active ingredients like purslane and hyaluronic acid, which help accelerate the healing of skin. Then we have the MUA Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick for £3.75. This is the matte liquid lipstick. I'm trying to find the shade on here, but I couldn't actually see it, so I'm actually not sure what shade this is. But it's been a while since I've worn velvet matte liquid lipstick, so I do want to try it on. So this is what it looks like. If I just swatch the shade, oh, you can see this is the colour it comes on. Let's give this a couple of minutes to dry, and then we can check back on the colour. It has been a while since I've worn velvet matte, so I am actually looking forward to getting back into wearing those, because I feel like they were definitely long lasting. However, you do really need to hydrate your lips. Like, hydration is key, because these matte lipsticks really do dry you out. Finally, we have the Vitamin Infused Scalp Serum 20ml by Masky, worth £19. This is a vitamin infused scalp serum. Now, I've never used anything like this before, but in the magazine it does give us a bit of a background, which I'll just read out to you guys. It states, "Rejuvenates your scalp's pH balance in 30 days, halting hair loss up to 72% in just 12 days. Crafted with botanicals and nurturing cold pressed oils, enriched with essential vitamins like B, D and E. This serum sustains scalp moisture, preserving hair elasticity and natural growth, ideal for repairing chemical damaged hair, including relaxer process strands, bleach and heat damage. Tailored for all hair and skin types, dry, normal and oily." And then on here it states, "Dandruff control, scalp soothing, repairs hair, volumizing, anti-hair loss, fragrance free." And on the back it does give us some instructions, and it goes on to say, "Apply on your scalp and massage. don't rest, and then it just gives us a website, so maybe we should check out the website. I'll open it up and unseal it. Okay, it smells a bit like hair dye, but like you can smell the botanical, so I feel like it's a combination of like hair dye with greenery. I mean, that's the same time getting. So I do have oily hair, and this claims to work on all hair types. I find that not many products work with oily hair, so I do look forward to trying this out, and besides, I've never used a scalp serum, so let's see if it actually works. Now let's check up on our lipstick. You can see from the bottom here it has actually dried, and then at the top it's still drying out, but it looks like a really pretty shade, and I just feel like that shade will look quite nice on me. Maybe not, I mean my hands are pretty tanned. We did also receive this sachet, and it's a liquid IV hydration multiplier in the flavour lemon and lime, and then the back it gives us like ingredients and on what it actually is, but it says it's available at Amazon, Boots and Sainsbury's. So it's turning ordinary water into extraordinary hydration. So it contains 7 vitamins and minerals, and you put 1 stick into 500 millilitres of water, mix and drink your way. So this brings me to the end of my unboxing. We've received our 5 products and they should be worth over £50. Just done a quick calc and I come to a sum of £56.97. So we have received over £50 worth of products. Now in terms of the range, I think it's quite a nice mix, to be fair, and I think it fits quite well with autumn because you have a bit of skincare, then you have a bit of hair care, and you also have a bit of makeup, and it kind of like sets the balances. Like this lipstick is really nice seasonal transitional colour, which I quite like. If there are any further reviews on the products you like, then please let me know and I can get those for you. And yeah, if you guys have also received a Glossybox, I'd love to see what you guys have thought about it, or if you receive any other boxes, let me know your thoughts. And that brings me to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this useful, and as always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!